In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off comments in Teachable. By the end, you'll know exactly where the global comment controls live and how to switch them off so learners no longer see comment boxes throughout your courses. From your school's admin area, start by heading to Settings. This is the centralized place where you manage platform-wide preferences that affect all courses at once. Inside Settings, select the General tab. General houses broad configuration options for your school, and that's where Teachable groups course level defaults. Now scroll to the Courses section. This is where you'll find the controls that apply across every course you host, including the comments controls. Within the Courses section, look for the Comments area. You'll see options to enable or disable comment features platform-wide. To turn off comments everywhere, toggle off the comment setting so that comments are disabled. This change tells Teachable not to display comment fields on lectures and lessons, which stops new comment activity across your school. After adjusting the setting, make sure to save your changes if you see a save button. Some pages autosave, but it's always a good habit to confirm your changes are locked in. If you don't have permission to change school-wide settings, you may need an owner or admin on your team to complete this step. Once comments are disabled, students won't be able to post new messages under lectures, and the comment input box will no longer appear. Existing comment threads may remain in your admin view for reference, but learners won't be prompted to add more. If you ever want to bring comments back, just return to the same place in Settings, revisit the Courses section, and toggle comments on again. A quick tip for a smooth transition: if your learners are used to discussing lessons in the comments, consider letting them know ahead of time that comments are being turned off and where they can direct questions instead, such as your course Q&A page, email support channel, or a community space you manage. Clear expectations will reduce confusion and support requests. To recap, the path is simple. Go to Settings, choose General, open the Courses section, find the Comments area, and disable the comment features. Save if prompted. That's all it takes to turn off comments across your Teachable school quickly and confidently, while keeping the door open to re-enable them later if your engagement strategy changes.